Okay, Dana is back for her full forecast and a pretty rare wake up this week, seeing rain outside. No, it's been such a great summer, but this week, just kind of getting some rain.
It's a little disappointing, but I think we've had such a good summer that, you know, we do need the rain too. It can be helpful, but if you end up waking up in a few hours, you might not even notice that it rained at all, because most of the showers will be ending within the next couple of hours, though we do have more rain to talk about for later in the week, but I'll get to that in a moment. So this is what we're looking at right now. So for the most part, we're just seeing some rain as we go across the immediate coastline. Most of the rain has been relatively light, with the exception of a couple heavier showers moving into York and southern Cumberland counties, kind of heading right towards the Portland area and along the coastline. But after that band of heavier showers goes through, most of us should start to clear out from the rain showers. And really, if you were north of areas like Lewiston or Augusta, you didn't really get any rain at all today, just some cloud cover that will eventually move out of our area as well. Current temperature wise, it's a little bit cool up in areas of northern Maine, only 52 in Rangeley and Caribou right now, 58 in Greenville. Now, if you're closer to the coastline, temps in the upper 50s to lower 60s. And we're going to bounce up into the mid 70s as we get later into this afternoon. Now, it is a little bit cooler than our average high temperature for this year, which is about 80 degrees. Along the immediate coastline, temps in the low 70s and areas into inland Maine getting into the mid 70s. So I mentioned within the next few hours, we're going to start to see some of that rain begin to push off the coast. And so right around 7 a.m., most of us should start to dry out. So by the time we get to the early morning commute, looks like it's going to be good. We'll also start to lose a lot of that cloud cover as we get into the afternoon. Down East Maine, we'll see the cloud cover latest, but right around 9 a.m., most of us should be seeing plenty of sunshine as we get into this afternoon, a trend that will continue. I think it's going to look really nice as we get into the afternoon, pretty refreshing in the dew point department, temps getting into the low to mid 70s, really just plenty of sunshine as we get into the afternoon, maybe a couple of cumulus clouds, but those are always a sign of a nice day. Continuing to be mostly clear overnight, and then Thursday, in my opinion, is definitely the pick of the week here. Starting out the day with plenty of sunshine, continuing throughout the afternoon. I think we could see some high clouds, especially pushing into areas of inland Maine, but overall it's going to be a dry day and a really nice one too. But then things are going to start to change. This model has been relatively progressive with the showers associated with the remnants of Debby here. So this is a look at Thursday at 11 p.m. and we're already seeing some showers move into areas of western Maine. We're going to start out with some more scattered showers as we get into early Friday morning, but then we're going to see some more consistent rain pull in behind it. So this is a look at Friday at 9 a.m., seeing some more showers go through areas of northern and eastern Maine, and then some thunderstorms beginning to move into the immediate coastline. And then we'll start to fill in with some of the rain behind that. Most of that heavy rain will be Friday afternoon into early Saturday morning. Now, what's Debby doing right now? Essentially, it's meandering right off the coast of the Carolinas, which is putting down a lot of rainfall, even some historic rainfall amounts here. Now, by the time it gets to us, it won't be a tropical system anymore. So we aren't concerned with any high wind speeds here, but we are concerned with a little bit of excessive rainfall. But right now, the axis of heaviest rain has been pushed over to our west. So essentially, that means we're going to see some heavy rain as we go into Friday afternoon. Most of that heavy rain will be overnight Friday into early Saturday morning. And essentially, how fast we can clear this system out, we might end up with a pretty good afternoon on Saturday. So now this model has the heaviest rainfall over to our west, so most of us will see less than an inch of rain. This other model has a little bit more rain here, closer to 2 inches, so we'll watch that for the potential of some flooding. Marine forecast sees 2 to 3 feet there. So here's a look at that 7-day forecast. Overall, pretty comfortable into dew points as we go into the next couple of days, clearing out as we get into this afternoon. So I think this afternoon and tomorrow will end up looking like a really nice day. And then Sam, we're watching the remnants of Debby as we go from Friday into Saturday. Keep in mind it's going to be a little bit on the cool side. Temps only in the upper 60s and a little bit humid. Most of that heavy rain, though, has been pushed to our west. So overall, the chance of flooding here has pretty much decreased, but we're still going to watch that as we get into the weekend.
So it sounds like, knowing that there's some systems coming Friday and Saturday, try to enjoy this afternoon and tomorrow.
Exactly, and I think later in the day on Saturday and Sunday will still be good, so it's not a weekend washout here.
That is what the people want to know. Dana,
we'll give it a thumbs up, right?
Making an impact on the morning team already, Dana.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you.